The Nascar Camry is equipped with a 5.8-liter V8 engine, making it one of the most powerful cars on the track. Developed by Toyota Racing Development, the engine has a reputation for providing maximum performance. Its engine block is made of an alloy that helps with cooling and durability, allowing for greater speed and power. Compression ratio is 11.8:1 with a maximum power output of 525 HP at 7,700 RPM. The V8 engine produces 500 lb-ft of torque at 6,000 RPM. The lightweight aluminum cylinder block design helps with the engine's weight and overall balance. The cylinder head has 5 valves per cylinder, and direct fit valve guides reduce wear and increase engine life. Large diameter intake and exhaust valves are used to ensure maximum airflow into and out of the cylinder. A top-mounted fuel rail and rail injectors provide a more efficient system for delivering fuel. The engine runs on a Bosch fuel injection system, providing the best delivery and management system for fuel. This Nascar Camry engine produces more than just power; its harmonics and sound add to its overall performance. The engine is M18X 1.5 RH and is designed for a reliable and efficient operation at all RPM levels. It has a compression ratio of 11.8:1 and an 11.3:1 exhaust ratio that gives the vehicle its characteristic growl. It is equipped with a small rear spoiler that helps reduce drag and keep the car in control at high speeds. The car has a running gear ratio of 3.250:1, which is designed for maximum speed and power. The Nascar Camry has independent double wishbone suspension, with adjustable anti-roll bars for added stability. The front has ventilated disc brakes, and the rear has four-wheel drum brakes, allowing for quick and safe stopping. The V8 engine has the potential to produce over 600 horsepower, while also remaining reliable and efficient. The engine is able to maintain a safe operating temperature, despite the extreme heat and stress of competitive racing. The engine is also designed to be light enough that the weight of the car is distributed evenly around the track. The engine is also designed to have a low failure rate, allowing for fewer stops for maintenance and repairs. The 5.8-liter V8 engine is also highly reliable, and can go over 100,000 miles between overhauls. The Nascar Camry can reach speeds up to 200 miles per hour when it reaches the straightaways. The transmission of the vehicle is a 4-speed closed ratio manual, providing smooth and responsive gear shifting. This Nascar Camry is built for speed and power, and its engine is able to deliver on both fronts.